let's get started. So today is Friday. So today is a foundation class. Okay, today we have foundation class. So now, let's just quickly greet each other. Okay, so first we'll respond to your messages, and then we will start today's class. Okay, cool. So yes, so Janvi ma'am, then Diya, Shravana, and Janvi Patel student, then Bharat, Sanjana, Mohita, Sneha, Pranamya, Nidhi, Sujana, Priyanka, Yash, Aditya, Samruddhi, Diksha, Ratan, Siddharth, Amaya, Suraj. Okay, so everyone. Okay, Kunal. Okay, so everyone. So good evening. Okay, so good evening again. And today and tomorrow. Okay, so we have Nagar Panchami festival. Okay, so how many of you celebrate Nagar Panchami festival? You can click on the yes icon if you celebrate Nagar Panchami festival. Okay, if you do not celebrate, that's okay, no problem. There's no force. Okay, if you celebrate, click on yes, because I want to tell you something. Okay, I want to tell you something about the Nagar Panchami festival. Okay, very good. So most of you celebrate. How many of you know the reason or the story behind why we should celebrate Nagar Panchami festival? Okay, if you know the reason for celebration of Nagar Panchami festival, you can now click on the S icon. No, I won't ask you. I just want to know, okay, if you are aware of the reason behind the celebration of Nagar Panchami festival. Okay, why we celebrate Nagar Panchami festival? If you do not know, no problem. Okay, so I will tell you later. Okay, first we'll get started with today's class. So I'm going to share my screen first. Okay, and some of you are wishing Nagar Panchami festival. Okay, Shravana, Suraj, everyone. So everyone, wish you the same. Wish you the same. Okay, so first, since today is a foundation class day, so today we have to see the college video. Okay, correct. We got to see the college video. So now, how many of you remember what college did I show the previous class? Okay, which college did I show the previous, like last week? Okay, which college did we see last week? So who can tell me? Very good. Okay, of course you remember. Very nice. Okay, yes was quickest to answer. Okay, followed by everyone else. Okay, very nice. So last class, okay, last week we saw National Institute of Design. Okay, that was college. Okay, so we saw last week. So today I'm going to go mainstream. Okay, some of you were asking about the doctor, medical. Okay, so that's why I thought today college video is the most prestigious medical college of the country. Which is that? Who can tell me? Which is the most prestigious medical college in the country? In India. Okay, very nice. So it is AIIMS, All India Institute of Medical Science, AIIMS. So AIIMS, now they have opened new colleges across various places across the country. Okay, so new colleges they have opened. So first, let us see about AIIMS, and then all the college exams, fees, cutoff, NEET exam, everything we're going to discuss later. Okay, so first, let's watch the video. So this is one of the new campuses of AIIMS, okay, which I'm going to show you now.
The place which may seem like the end.
New campus, Patna. Okay, so before the prestigious college AIIMS, people used to just look into Delhi. Okay, so that was the most recognized AIIMS college. Even now, AIIMS Delhi is the best. Okay, but they have opened up new colleges as well because there's a lot of demand. There's lot of demand for AIIMS. So now, how many of you want to become a doctor? How many of you are interested in medical field? Doctor, you want to become doctor? Okay, so if you want to become doctor, click on yes icon. Okay, if you want to become MBBS, okay, I'm not asking dental. Okay, I'm not asking dental doctor nor veterinary doctor. I'm asking MBBS. Okay, MBBS doctor. If you're interested, click on the Yes, I can. Okay, so few of you are interested in MBBS. Okay, nice. So we're going to discuss about the medical field. Okay, so what to do, what are the exams, what is the cutoff, what will be your life, salary, everything later. Okay, so now we'll get started with today's class. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to write the structure of today's class. So what all things you can expect in today's class. So today is July 24 and 25. Okay, so that is today and tomorrow. Okay, today and tomorrow together we're going to do the following things. Okay, college video, we're going to discuss about AIMS. So tomorrow I'm going to tell you everything in detail about medical in general, AIMS or AFMC or like other good colleges of medical across the country. Okay, so then afterwards I'm going to start with positive thought. Okay, I'm really happy many of you are sending a lot of positive thoughts. So I'm thinking from tomorrow onwards I'm going to run 2. If I have only 1 positive thought, everybody will not get chance. Okay, so tomorrow I will tell you 2 thoughts. Okay, so everybody's thought will be shared. Okay, so and next we'll continue with the concept cubes. Okay, so first I got to tell you the conditions, and next we will solve some question answers. Okay, regarding cubes. Okay, so worksheet. So did I post the worksheet? Okay, did I post the worksheet in the group? You can just type and send. Okay, did I post the worksheet of cubes in the group? Yes, no. Okay, no. Okay, no. I means like the first page at least, man. First page. Nothing I posted. Not even 1 question. I think I posted, man. Some of you telling yes. Cubes have posted. No, you can just please check WhatsApp. Shavana is telling yes, so I believe him. Okay, so Janvi is telling. Everybody is telling no, yes. Okay, at least the first page I have posted. No, so minimum the simple easy questions. So that one we're gonna discuss. I'm gonna post today 1 more cubes 2. Okay, worksheet 2. Okay, cool. So now after this, of course, I have 1 case study. So last week's case study was mummy. Correct? If you remember that mummy, the creatures getting inside your skin, eating and all. Okay, that was last week's case study. So this week's case study, what is the case study? I'm going to tell you now. Okay, then after that, I have a special video. So then afterwards, speed. This is both for today and tomorrow. Okay, I know I cannot finish so much in 1 class. Okay, this is both for the weekend, today and tomorrow. Okay, speed max. If you remember last class, I told we have to learn cubes. Okay, how to obtain cubes of 2-digit number. Cubes of 2-digit number. Okay, then of course we'll have Kahoot. Then we'll have story, and I have a special surprise for tomorrow. Okay, then did I miss? Yes, of course. So I will have add activity as well as German. If you remember last week we started German regarding family. Okay, regarding just simple stuff, father, mother, and all those. Okay, and other things we're going to continue later. Okay, so this much we have planned for today and tomorrow. Okay, today and tomorrow. So aims done. So positive thought, I'm going to write today positive thought. So today's positive thought is from Suhani. Okay, I'm going to write here. So tomorrow onwards, I will tell two thoughts. Okay, from so that everybody will get a chance. Okay, positive thoughts. So today's positive thought, July 24. So please continue sending the thoughts. Don't get disappointed if I did not share the thought. I'll definitely share it. Okay, if not today, then tomorrow, yeah, day after tomorrow. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, you keep sending. Tomorrow onwards, I'll show two. Okay, so what did Suhani send? Okay, that is today's thought of the day. So this is what she has sent. The grass. I just slightly modified. Okay, little modification I did. The grass gets greener. The grass gets greener the more you water it, the more you water it. Okay, cool. So now, so basically, so this means if you work hard, okay, if you put more efforts, then of course success, you will definitely get the success. Okay, you definitely deserve all the success and everything. Okay, so simple thought, good thought. Okay, so this was today's thought of the day. The grass gets greener the more you water it, the more efforts, the more hard work you put. Okay, so the more success or the more positive results you will obtain. Okay, positive results you will obtain. Okay, cool. So don't send the thoughts to me now in the Zoom chat. Please send it to me in WhatsApp. Okay, please send it to me in WhatsApp. Tell your name and class also. If you simply send, then how will I know? So many batches I'm doing, I have no idea. Okay, so send the thought, tell your name, tell the batch. Okay, tell the 8th standard, 9th standard, 10th standard, 11th, 12th, whatever it is, you just tell, and that's all. Okay, so this is today's thought of the day, and now let's get going. Okay, so yes, so we'll do cubes conditions. Okay, for those who do not remember what happened last week, okay, I'll just quickly recap. We learned formula. Okay, we learned formula of cubes, how to find out the cubes. Okay, and we'll first look into the formula again, we'll revise, and then we will continue the class. Okay, this was the last week's. Okay, this was the question answer. So okay, so here we wrote the formula. If you remember, cube has 8 corners, 12 edges, 4 diagonals, 6 faces. Okay, and we wrote some formula. I'll just show the summary of the formula. Oh, it is here. Okay, formula. So the number of smaller cubes, okay, with 3 adjacent faces, that is 8. Okay, only 2 adjacent faces painted. Only 2 adjacent faces painted, that is n minus 2 into 12. Only one face painted. Only one face painted, then that is n minus 2 whole square into 6. Zero face painted, that is n minus 2 whole cube. Okay, only this 4 formula. Okay, only this 4 formula we should solve. Okay, and over here, as we discussed, what is n? So n is the natural number. Okay, where n means length of the big cube ka edge. Okay, and the edge length of big cube divided by edge length of the smaller cube. So basically they will give like this. Okay, n cube is equal to total number of smaller cubes. N cube is equal to total number of smaller cubes, and you have to find n. So in the previous class, if you remember, so we had solved questions. We had solved questions. Our first step itself to find out n. Okay, like this. You see, if n cube is equal to 64, what is n? So for this, you should know the cubes. Okay, cubes of the numbers. And we solved few questions. Okay, if you remember, we solved few questions the previous class. So today we will continue. Okay, we will continue. And for those who do not remember, this is the worksheet. Okay, which is the worksheet? I'm going to show here. This is the worksheet whose questions you should solve. Okay, if you haven't solved, then today we will solve. So there are so many questions. So did I start from these questions? Have we completed? How many questions have we completed? You can just type and send it to me. If we have already started. Okay, till question number 5 is over. Okay, good. So then I'll put tick mark so that I know the status. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so all 5 questions done. Cool. So we have to start with question number 6. If I'm not wrong. Okay, very nice. Thank you. Okay, so we have to start with question number 6. Question number 4 is done. No, question number 3 is not over. Okay, so question number 3 is not over. Okay, yes, because this is condition. Okay, so we will see some conditions of the cubes. What are some conditions that you should remember for solving? So once we see the conditions, okay, then after the conditions, you can definitely solve such questions also. There's nothing, man, very simple, easy. So first, let me write the conditions. So here I'll write, so here, yes, first we'll do conditions, then we'll continue question answers. Right here, cubes. So here are some conditions which you should keep in your mind, okay, before solving. So what are those conditions? Let us write one by one. Condition number one, first condition, the smaller cubes. Okay, I'll explain also. First, I'll write it down. Okay, the smaller cubes have paints only on their adjacent faces. Okay, the smaller cubes can have paints only on their adjacent faces. I hope you know the meaning of adjacent. Okay, sidewise, next to each other, opposite illa, not opposite, only adjacent faces. So I'm going to write another statement that is just an extension of this statement itself. Okay, so that means no smaller cubes can have paint on its opposite side. Okay, that is just another version of the first statement itself. Okay, that is none of the cubes, none of the smaller cubes, I'm talking about small cubes, not the big one, please understand, the chotu, the cutout. Okay, the cutout small cubes can not have any paint on the opposite sides. So opposite sides, it cannot have paint. It can only have paint on the adjacent sides. Why? Because when you cut it out, okay, see the best example, as I told, if you have a cube or something next to you, you please take it. Okay, if you have Rubik's cube, especially if you have Rubik's cube, so please see Rubik's cube. That will help you in understanding the things. Okay, for those who do not know Rubik's cube, so just quickly show the Rubik's cube. I think I should have somewhere here, man. So I had a good video on Rubik's cube. So for those who are not aware of Rubik's cube, okay, can have paint on its opposite side. Okay, next, last condition. Okay, last condition, simple and easy. The maximum number of faces, the maximum number of faces, smaller cube we are talking, a smaller cube can have paint is 3. Okay, only on 3 faces you can have paint. Okay, maximum, you cannot have paint on more than 3 faces. How many faces a cube has? A cube has 6 faces. Okay, so in that, the chotu cube, which you cut it out, the chotu cube, the small cube, can have paint only maximum 3 faces. Okay, look at the word maximum 3 faces. Okay, they did not tell minimum, they said maximum. I hope you know the meaning of the word maximum. Okay, maximum, highest, only 3 faces. Okay, so these are the conditions, simple, easy conditions, obvious conditions. So with this condition, I want you to focus on condition number 2. Okay, focus on condition number 2. Read again. No smaller cubes can have paint on its opposite sides. Okay, on its opposite sides, it cannot have paint. So now when you come back and look at question number 3. Okay, when you come back and look at question number 3. Okay, in question number 3, what should be your answer? How many cubes can have opposite faces painted? Okay, opposite faces painted. I'm going to launch the poll. You select the answer from the poll. Let me see if you understood the condition or not. As soon as you see the word opposite, Okay, so then what you should select the answer? You select it now. You have options 1, 2, 3, 4 means A, B, C, D. Okay, don't 1, 2, 3, 4 means A, B, C, D. So you select the answer. You select the answer. Option 5 is not required. Okay, option 5 is not required. Okay, so your answer will be in A, B, C, D itself. Your answer will be in A, B, C, D itself. Okay, so let us see if you understood the question or not. So how many cubes have opposite faces painted with red color? Okay, opposite faces painted with red color. A, B, C, D poll have launched. So some of you are yet to vote. Okay, so please vote fast. Please vote fast, and then we'll stop the poll. Okay. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm going to end the poll and let us see your responses. Okay, let us see your responses. So many of you haven't voted yet. Okay, so there are more than 20 students who did not vote. You want me to wait, or you don't know the answer, or the poll is not there? So those who did not vote, so please vote fast, or if you cannot vote, at least send me the answer. Okay, send me the answer at least. Okay, if the poll, that whatever settings is not there, at least send me the answers. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna stop the poll. I'm gonna stop the poll, and I'm gonna share the result. Share the result. Okay, so I thought more than 90% will select the correct answer, but why? Why did some of you get confused? You have just clicked on random options. When option B is 24, how can you select option B or option C? I just now told you. See here, we just now discussed no smaller cube can have paint on its opposite sides. Okay, that means zero cubes, zero smaller cubes will have paint on its opposite sides. Okay, so that is what you should select the answer. Okay, the answer here is 0. Why have you selected wrong? So anyways, so let's stop sharing the result and we'll go to next question. Okay, we'll go to next question. So that is from questions 6 onwards. Okay, from question 6 onwards. So here slightly the difficulty level increases. Okay, so before we solve question number 6, I have my own question. Okay, let me see if you can solve that question, and then we will come back to the worksheet. Okay, and then we'll come back to the worksheet. Okay, so now let me write my question. Okay, so this is my example question. So you solve this first, and then we can go to the worksheet. Okay, so here we have different faces, different color. Okay, so let us see if you can solve if such type of questions are asked. So I'm going to write the question: a big cube with blue painted on four of its sides, and yellow on top and bottom. Yellow painted on top and bottom. Okay, then it is cut into 27 smaller cubes. So I will tell you further what are the questions. Okay, first part, that is just the data. Okay, so this one is just the information data. So your questions start now. So one by one we'll solve some different types of questions. Question number 1: how many cubes have one of their faces painted with blue. Okay, how many cubes have one of their faces painted with blue? So here they don't want other things, they want only blue. Okay, they want only blue. So how to solve? I will solve. Okay, you just observe. Okay, you just notice how I am going to solve this question. So step 1, always find out n. Okay, because without n you cannot solve the formula. Okay, you cannot solve the question. You should find n. So n cube is equal to the number of smaller cubes. Number of smaller cubes. So in the question they have given, there are 27 smaller cubes. So it is easy for you to recognize that n is equal to 3. Okay, simple, easy. Over. Step 1, always find out n. And now let's start solving the first question, part 1. They're asking how many cubes have one of their faces painted with blue. What is the original formula? Okay, original formula says, original formula for one of the faces painted. Okay, you see here, one of the faces painted, original formula is n minus 2 whole square into 6. This is the original formula. But here, I don't have all 6 faces painted. Okay, I have only 4 faces. Only 4 faces painted with blue, because you see that is what they have told in the question. Read the question. Blue is painted only on 4 sides. Top and bottom they have painted yellow. That is a different color. Okay, top and bottom they painted yellow. So here what you should do is you should modify the formula as per the question. Modify the formula. So the formula gets modified like this. Why did I write 4? Okay, why did I write 4? Because I have blue on 4 sides. I have blue only on 4 sides. The question was to solve for blue. Okay, so blue color is there only on 4 sides. So that is why I have written 4. And now everything is just cakewalk. Okay, you just simply substitute the values and you will get the answer. That's all. Okay, this is 1 square into 4, and then we have the answer 4. That's all. Okay, so this is solving using formula method. Okay, using formula method. There's one more method, that is using diagram method. That one also I will tell. Okay, that one also I will tell you later. Diagram method, you draw the diagram like this. You draw the diagram. If this is your cube, like this, you should draw the diagram and you should solve. Okay, like this you separate. So if you do, then you will get the cube like this. Okay, and they have said on 4 sides. Okay, all this are blue. Only on top and bottom you have yellow. Okay, top, say this only as yellow. Top and bottom you have yellow. So you draw like this. Okay, so draw the cube like this and solve. Okay, so there was how many cubes have one of their faces painted with blue. Okay, so you have to put like this and solve. Okay, so you will get the answer. Okay, you just have to count. So it's going to take lot of time. So that is why instead you can put the formula and solve. Okay, convenience, depending on the question, convenience. So in the diagram method you should count. Okay, you should sit and count. Okay, which one has only blue. Okay, only blue. So here you see have one of their faces painted with blue. Only one of their faces painted with blue. Okay, so over here, so you have to check it out. Only one of their faces painted with blue. Okay, and you will count and you will get the answer. Okay, so it is tedious, it will take lot of time, or you want, I can just quickly tell you how to select the answer here. Okay, so if you take this cube, open your eyes and see, this is one cube. Okay, this whole thing is one cube. So in that cube you have yellow also. Okay, you have yellow, you have blue. I want only blue. I want only blue. Okay, so only such type of cubes only you should select. Okay, it's like that you can notice and you can figure it out. Okay, you can figure it out. Where do you have only such types of cubes which has only blue? Okay, which has only blue. So here, so I have one of their faces painted with so only blue. What is there? So that one you have to select. So the diagram method is time consuming. So that is why we put in the formula and solve. Simple. You want to verify, takes a Rubik's cube, sit and count and verify. Okay. Question number 2. Okay, question number 2. So in this question, so now yellow. Okay, here I had asked blue. How many cubes have one of their faces painted with blue? So second question, we will see how many cubes will have the yellow color. Okay, one of their faces painted with yellow. So how many cubes will have one of their faces painted with yellow? Okay, so who can solve? Very good. So Nidhi, correct answer. Okay, so very nice. So quickest to answer was Nidhi, and then so many people. Okay, so wait. So Priyanka, Shravana, Sanjana, Pranamya, everyone. Okay, Sri Krishna, Soham, everyone. Okay, so how to solve? You substitute in the formula. Original formula is n minus 2 whole square into 6. This is original formula. Our modified, okay, modified formula, you have n minus 2 square into 2. Why 2? Because yellow is there only on two faces. Okay, yellow is there only on two faces. And now you substitute the values and you solve, and you will get the answer as 2. Okay, so that is the answer. So if you want the diagram, see, everything I can only not do. If I only do everything, then what are you there for? So you want to see for yourself, buy a Rubik's cube first. Okay, this is just 2 dimension. Okay, this is just 2 dimension. It is difficult to represent 3D on 2D. Okay, I do not have, this is iPad. Okay, this is iPad. This is not augmented reality that I can show with 3 dimensions things and all. Okay, so if I had Rubik's cube, I'd have shown. I don't have it now. I'm in my home. I'm in Bangalore. Okay, so you can buy a Rubik's cube for yourself and check it out. Okay, by counting, for playing, whatever. So that is why, if you want to visualize for yourself, buy a cube and color it and check for yourself. Okay, so this is using the formula. Okay, this is using the formula. If you want to verify, then you can do it on your own. So this is question number 2. Simple, easy. So if you understood this question number 1 and 2, if you understood question number 1 and 2, you click on yes icon. Okay, if you understood question 1 and 2, you can click on the yes icon. So because the upcoming questions are going to be crazy, you have to visualize a lot. Okay, you have to visualize a lot. Okay, so that is why all these non-verbal questions are kind of checking your intelligence, okay, your smartness. You have to first understand. For those who did not understand, after the class, sit, okay, read, study. You see, what is today's thought of the day? What is today's positive thought of the day? So today's positive thought says that, okay, the grass gets greener the more you water it. Okay, you become smarter the more you practice. Okay, you become smarter the more you practice. After the class, sit. Okay, first take a photo of my notes, sit calmly, okay, with, full concentration, see and read. Okay, read 2, 3, 5 times you read. The more you practice, the more you read, the more you'll understand better. Okay, because these things you should do self-study. I can just solve, I will solve. If you want, I can explain also. But until and unless you understand, I will be helpless. Okay, so please cooperate. After the class, you must solve. Okay, one more question. Let us do. One more. Let us see if at least this question, if you can solve. I'm slowly increasing the difficulty level. Okay, question number 3. How many cubes have only 2 of their faces? Only 2 of their faces painted. Okay, only 2 of their faces painted. Only 2. Okay, I did not mention color. What, I'll just write it neatly. How many cubes have only 2 of their faces? Okay, this is direct question. Only 2 of their faces painted. It can be blue, yellow, whatever. Okay, how many cubes have only 2 of their faces painted? So let us see. At least this question you should get it correct, man. At least this question. Come on. So what is there? Nothing. Put the formula n minus 2 into 12. That's all. Okay, n minus 2 into 12. So 2 of their faces painted. What is the formula for 2 of their faces painted? This is the formula, original formula only. And you just substitute and you solve, you get the answer. Okay, see, simple, easy. At least this question, if you understood, click on the yes icon. Okay, at least this question, if you understood, click on the yes icon. You already know the value of n. Okay, n is 3. We have already, solved this in the first step itself. Direct. Okay, direct. You will also get direct questions. Don't worry. Okay, you'll also get direct questions. Okay, now last question, man. Last question. Okay, this one I will make it little hard. Okay, all this very easy, this one little hard. So let us see if you can answer this question. Okay, I'm going to write, how many cubes have paint on any of their, at least one or any of their faces? How many cubes have paint on them? I'll make it easy. How many cubes have paint on them? Okay, so there are 27 cubes. In the 27 cubes, how many cubes have paint on them? How many cubes have paint on them? This is pure common sense. Okay, come on. If you're really smart, then you should get this. Okay, if you're really smart, then you should, the 27 smaller cubes are there. So in this 27 smaller cubes, how many cubes have paint on them? How many cubes have paint on them? So some of you sent me the answers. Some of you sent me the, see here, more than formula, it is your intelligence. Okay, more than formula, it is your intelligence. Okay, some things you should develop on your own. I hope these are those things. Okay, so let me see who got it correct. Nidhi, correct. Okay, Nidhi, many of you have sent answers, but na Pranamya, Soham, Sanjana, no, wrong. Okay, yes, Nidhi, correct. Okay, then who else? Oh my God, Shaurya, correct. Very nice, man. Okay, Shaurya, Nidhi, Yash, Daksh, also correct. Daksh, also correct. Okay. So watch here, carefully you see. So this is where you should be super smart, and foundation class, that is what you should try to do. Only if you practice. If you do not practice, nothing will happen. Okay, see here. So first thing, find how many cubes, number of cubes with zero face painted. Okay, tell me at least this. Okay, how many cubes are there with zero face painted? Zero face painted. Zero face painted. Okay, zero face painted. How many cubes are there? Okay, that means that cube has no face painted. No face. Okay, look at the formula. Look at, if you don't know, look at the formula. Okay, look at the formula. Zero face painted. What did we write here? Zero face painted. Look at the formula. Number of cubes with no face painted. Zero. No means zero. Okay, zero face painted. What is the formula? N minus 2 whole cube. Correct? So now put this here. Put this here in the question. Number of cubes with zero face painted, n minus 2 whole cube. Okay, that is 3 minus 2 whole cube. It is 1. Okay, at least now you tell the answer. I have done 50%. I have done 50%. I have done 50% of the question. Okay, now at least you should know the answer. So I have total number of cubes is equal to cubes with paint plus cubes without paint. Okay, correct? Okay, so total number of Chotu cubes, how many? 27 are there. Okay, in that 27, there are cubes which have paint and there are cubes which do not have paint. Okay, which do not have paint. So if you cannot see, I'll write it neatly. Okay, so these are the cubes with no paint. Okay, so cubes with paint, cubes without paint. So this is what you should find. Cubes with no paint. Cubes with no paint, we only just now solved 1. Okay, just now solved 1. So we have to find this x. Okay, have to find this x. What is x? 27 minus 1 is equal to x. Over. Okay, so the cubes which have paint. 26. Come on. Why are you not getting such answers? Okay, so you should please develop some intelligence. Okay, so these are some examples that I did so that it will help you. And now today you have to sit and solve these questions. Okay, which questions? These questions as homework. So these questions are really testing your intelligence. If you're smart or if you think you are smart, solve this. Let us see tomorrow when we start the class. I want to know how many of you could solve the. It's okay if you get it wrong. I have no issues, but at least solve. Try. Okay, put an effort. So there are so many questions. There are till question number 22. Okay, as much as possible you solve. Answers I will tell you in tomorrow's class. Okay, answers I'll tell you in tomorrow's class, because first I want you to put effort. Okay, let me see if you can solve all these questions. Okay, cool. So that is a small task for today. I'll put this also in the group again. So please solve question number 6 to question number 20. Okay, that much you solve. Saku. Okay, so all these examples what we did, take this as reference. This will help. Okay, take this as reference. This will help you. Okay, cool. So now with this, we're going to stop today's class. Okay, we're going to stop today's class. Okay. So once we kind of complete. Okay, this is done. Cubes. Okay, nice. So before I run, okay, so I want to quickly do. So many things to do, man. Okay, so I'll just first show off. Okay, the special video. I'll just show the special video. So real quick, okay? So real quick, we're going to see the special video fast. So this is something that I saw in the YouTube, so I thought I should share it with you. This is interesting. An innovative plan, so which they executed 10 years ago, and they're again doing it now. If you're interested, you can also be a part of it, okay? So here you go. This is the concept.
The pagodas.
Song, okay, which song was this? Nobody knows. Okay, so yeah, okay. This is a little romantic song, okay, of long some 10 years ago from a movie called David. Okay,